Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PGP encryption using GPGTools on Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, download GPGTools from the official website. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the GPGTools installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install GPGTools on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, open the GPG keychain application. In the GPG keychain, click on New to create a new key pair. Fill in your name and email address in the provided fields. Optionally, you can set a passphrase for added security. Click Generate to create your key pair. Wait for the key generation process to complete. Once done, your new key will appear in the keychain. Select your newly created key and choose Export from the File menu. Save the key in a secure location for backup purposes. To configure your email client, open Mail and go to Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Composing tab. Enable the option for using PGP encryption for outgoing messages. In the GPG keychain, locate your key and right-click to select Copy Public Key. Paste the public key into your email client's PGP settings. To send an encrypted email, create a new message in your email client. Click on the lock icon to encrypt the message before sending. Enter the recipient's email address and compose your message. When ready, click Send to deliver the encrypted email. Encourage your recipients to set up GPGTools to decrypt your messages. To decrypt a received message, open it in your email client. Click on the unlock icon to decrypt the email automatically. Enter your passphrase when prompted to access the decrypted content. You have now successfully set up PGP encryption using GPGTools on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.